The public sector will make use of the Singapore Building Carbon Calculator immediately. Developers are recommended to use it when applying for their Green Mark certification. The government's industrial planner, JTC Corporation, will also use a calculator on all its projects moving forward. Claudia Lim with a report.
How much carbon is produced while constructing a building? Development teams can now find out more easily with the help of the Singapore Building Carbon Calculator. The information lets them adjust their choices before construction even begins.
The consultant can start from the start. When they design the buildings, they can optimize the building to select the type of materials. And then subsequently at the construction stage, the contractors can then source from green manufacturers the best product to use to reduce the embodied carbon.
This is how it works. Select construction materials like tiles, concrete, and sealant. Key in how much will be used, where it will come from, and how it will be transported. Carbon estimates are then given for each. This helps developers pinpoint which materials will produce a lot of carbon. They can then measure up against a national rating system. To be marked a green building, the materials in 1 square meter should produce less than 2,500 kilograms of carbon. The team can then decide to switch to greener materials or source from a different country. The calculator is made relevant to Singapore's context, where most raw materials are imported. It makes carbon reporting easier as well, which could attract more green investment. It's also a more user-friendly portal compared to what project teams had to grapple with before.
Using the Excel-based calculator, we require more manpower and then a lot of more communication with the main contractor or the other consultants for inputs. But with the new SPCC, we are able to collaborate together on the same platform, which reduces man hours and streamlines our processes.
While the calculator is best used at a building's planning stage, experts say it can also be used when renovating and retrofitting older buildings, all to help Singapore reach its net zero emission targets by 2050.